Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, what do you see here? This is mold. So right now I am in the washroom of a friend's house who told me that mold has been forming on the ceiling of his washroom. Do you know the reason why it is? I'll tell you now. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and I'm gonna tell you a one-time fix and also a permanent fix and methods to prevent it. So make sure you follow it carefully. So see guys, you see there's a shower here, so and also there's an exhaust here and there's a window here. So the rule here of thumb is when you use washroom, especially hot water, it generates steam also, right? So if you are not running this exhauster well, and if this exhauster is running but not extracting properly, steam is gonna accumulate, is gonna hit the wall, and that's where mold is gonna form. A better way to control this too, like when you are using hot water steam, open the window, but that's not a good solution, especially during winter, right? It's gonna be too much of cold, right? So what's the solution? So definitely you should keep it maintained, so it is a good solution. However, there are like mold resistant paints too. So you can buy mold resistant paint and apply paints or to all the walls with that mold resistant specialized paint that will just repel it. Okay, that's one solution. Second solution, we already spoke about that it should work like when you're taking the shower, turn it on, and 5 to 10 minutes later after your shower is done, turn it off. That's all, but don't forget to turn it off, otherwise it will increase your electricity bills that I don't want. Okay, so these are the solutions you can do. Opening the window may not be possible in winter, but at least summer you can try both and it will even have better exit. Now how you're gonna fix it? Or now, so you need some specialized liquid. So I purchased this from Home Depot. This is mold control. So right now I'm gonna pour on it, okay, and then I'm gonna wipe it. So when you're pouring it something on ceiling, make sure your eyes are protected because these liquids are very dangerous for your eyes and it should not fall into your eyes. So I applied the spray. Okay, now we have to leave it overnight, but still you can see it started coming out, and then tomorrow just rub it and it will be gone. So this is like cleaning the existing ones, but as for permanent, I told you the solution, either go for mold resistant paint or make sure the exhaust is working fine along with window. Okay, so this is how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.